Good morning guys, in front of me is Redmi 15C and let me show you how to turn off personalized ads. So at first open the settings, then from main settings list select Google, go to all services and choose ads. Now at first reset advertising ID. As you can see, it will replace the device's advertising ID with a new random number, so just tap on confirm. And if you wish to remove it fully, just mark delete. And now as you can see, it will delete the current advertising ID and apps still can show the ads, however they will not be that relevant. So just tap on delete and that's it. As you can see, it has been done. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.